we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning.
On a cloudy, windy morning.
Huh? Oh. Looks like it's going to rain.
Let's run before we all get wet. Isn't this weather lovely? We should all be having fun out there. We'll get wet and we'll get sick.
And I want to go home.
My trusty tablet shows that this rain is not going to stop anytime soon.
Huh? Okay, calm down. We all have umbrellas with us. We know how to use them. Oh, great idea! Let's get our umbrellas out so we don't have to leave.
Ah. It doesn't seem to be working.
Mine's not either.
It's okay, guys. Whenever we want to learn, what do?
It's cuddle time! Cuddle Cubbies cuddle!
Step 1, remove the sleeve. Step 2, unlatch the strap. Step 3, press the button. Finally, swing the umbrella over your head to avoid getting wet from the rain.
Ah! Easy as pie.
Yeah, let us give it a try.
Remove.
Unlatch.
Press the button to unleash. Hooray! I did it! Now that we are ready, let's head home.
Actually, I was thinking, now that we have our umbrellas, we could have some fun in the rain, right? Oh?